Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you basically how to speed up Windows 10 or make it faster. So come down here first of all, click on the start menu, and then turn off the animations by typing system and then enter, or you could just click and then just go to advanced settings, and then it's right here. It'll automatically be adjust for best appearance. You could leave that on if you want, but this will actually make a pretty big of a difference. So I recommend you click on adjust for best performance and then click apply. Okay, X out of this, X out of this. So the next thing you want to do, click on the start menu and then type run and click on this, and it will automatically come up. And type a percentage, TEMP percentage. So percentage temp percentage, and then you just want to click OK. And I already cleared all of it, but what you would do is click Control A, right click on it, and then delete it. The third thing that you want to do is go down here to the start menu, click on run, and then type in prefetch, and then press OK. Or you could also press enter, and you want to do the same thing. Select all of it, right click, and delete. Once you have all that done, you want to right click here, and right click on your recycle bin, empty it. Yes. The next thing you want to do is go down to the start menu, type in disk. It'll come up as disk cleanup, click on that. And then what you want to do is, so click on this drop down menu. I'm clicking Windows C because this is where Windows was installed at, and this is my main drive. And then once that is all loaded, you want to click on everything, clean up system files again, and then Windows C again. And then once that's done, you want to make sure everything's selected, click OK, delete files. Okay, so step number 5, go down here in your battery, or you could, go down here in your battery. I think this only works with laptops, I'm not totally sure. Anyways, right click, power options, and then there might be a performance mode, but if there's not, you want to go up here, create a power plant, name it performance mode, and then high performance, next. Okay, well I already have one name this, so anyways you click next, and then you click create. Make sure that one's selected and just X out of this. The next thing you want to do is click on the start menu, task manager. So just type in task, and then just click on task manager. Go to startup, and then don't disable everything like I did. I only did this because I know that I have saved things. I mean, that it doesn't really matter fully. Your stuff might not say HP or Steam because you don't have that downloaded, and you also don't have that manufactured, and possibly not. Disable the ones that you want, X out of this. Last thing you want to do is click here on the start menu, type optimize, and it will come up right here. Click that, and then click on optimize. Make sure it's selected Windows, not Windows C, but the Windows wherever it was Windows was installed on. If you don't know, it's the one where all your files go to. Optimize. Okay, so once that, actually that was the last step. Bye guys, see you next time. There goes a sight from my soul.